giant and very generous donation is helping to make the dreams of thousands of students and teachers come true.
A company called Ripple has donated $29 million to the crowdfunding website Donors Choose, and that website helps classrooms in need. The big donation effectively funds all 35,000 projects featured on the site and will help buy books and rent school buses for field trips all over the country. We are in contact with a local project that will be helped by that donation, and we'll have that story coming up tonight at 5 right here on WBZ.